Even on a dark, gloomy day, we're gonna go and find some sunshine.
I thought I was your sunshine.
Yeah, that too.
Welcome. Today we are at this fabulous place called the Sunflowers of Sanborn.
If you're a part of our channel, give us a thumbs up. If you're not, go ahead and subscribe. Follow along with us and share this out with everybody.
So this place was started by Chad and Louise. They're 3 generations of farmers in this area. They've made their living doing soybean, corn,
Wheat.
And a few years ago they've decided that they wanted to do the sunflowers. If you want to read their story, I'll put the link below to their website page. It's an interesting story of how they got started doing this.
It's become pretty famous around the local area, and we can show you the pin board from where people have come from all over the country to come and check out the sunflowers.
And they are generous enough to open this up to everybody. It's free to come here and do this. And they ask for donations, which is a nice thing to donate for their time and energy to put into this. They also sell flowers and have vendors and have crafters and a lot of interesting events going on, again, on their Facebook page.
They also have 2 different fields. One field that we're standing in right now is for people to wander through and take pictures with the flowers. And then there's another field where they have you pick flowers, and they sell the flowers for $1 a piece.
And they also have a corn maze.
And a wagon ride through the fields.
We do suggest that if you're going to cut flowers to take home, do it at the end of your time here. Okay. That way you're not having to deal with the bouquet while you're walking around. They are $1 a flower. There's over 8 varieties, and there's over 10 acres up there. So, and they bundle them up for you at the end and put them in water so you can get some plastic. The crafters are here this weekend and next weekend. They're along the edge of the acreage up here. There's also country stores, there's general stores, there's a she shack, all sunflower related type items. And then there's the concession stands too, and that's all self-explainable up there as for exchanging your money for tickets. We do take PayPal, Venmo, and there is an ATM machine up there if you need cash. And other than that, we're thankful that you stopped by and enjoy your day at the Sunflower Fields of Sanborn. Thank you. Bye.
there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the journey through the sunflowers.
Don't forget to check them out if you're in this area.
And even if you're not in this area, it's worth coming up to see this time of year when you're going to see the falls.
The pictures don't do them justice. You really need to see them in person. Don't forget.
Give us a thumbs up.
If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so.
And we'll see you again next time.
Bye.
Bye now.